Hey guys, quick DIY from Young Living's blog, our Mermaid hairspray. You're going to need rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender, some witch hazel, water, and a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. So let's jump right in. You're going to need 10 drops of rosemary, which is good for your hair. A lot of people use it in their regimen. I'm excited to possibly get it and try it soon because I've seen it in multiple things that I've been wanting to try for us here at home. You're also going to need 10 drops of lavender, which comes in your starter kit. So all of you who have a premium starter kit should have lavender. If you're out of it, hop on your virtual office, grab you some more, and you'll be ready to make this. Then you're also going to need 10 drops of cedarwood. I have so much of this at home right now that we've gotten free through Essential Rewards over the last year or two that I'm excited to finally have something to do with it because I don't know a ton about it. So it's nice to have something to do with it. I'm sure if I sat down and learned, I would have reasons to use it, but I don't always have that free time. So it's neat to find it in something I can do with it. And then you're going to need an ounce of witch hazel to help all of these things bond together, especially our next ingredient, which is water. So oils and water don't naturally mix, and the witch hazel just kind of helps all that. And then you're going to need that 4-ounce glass spray bottle to put it all in. Glass is important because oils will cause the plastics to release toxins, and we don't want to be spraying that onto our scalps. So you're going to mix the oils and witch hazel in the bottle first, then you're going to top it with water, and then you just want to give it a nice good shake before you use it. Spray it into damp hair, and then you can dry and style it however you want. Young Living also says in their blog that you can use salt water to give yourself more of a beachy look. So I'm guessing you could even just add some salt to the water if you don't have salt water on hand, because I'm not really sure where you'd get that. But you can also, on their blog, find a really cute little label to put on your bottle. It's free to download. Just go to youngliving.com/blog, and then you will find this under the DIY section for hair and something. So I hope that was helpful, you guys. Have a great week. We'll see you next Monday.